Hi, today let's review Anna Griffin Snow Globe Easel card dies. I prepared the items we need for the first card. Actually, I'm going to make 2 cards with these dies. Based on the instruction, you need one of these card bases, then one of the shadow layer, one of the main layer, and it doesn't say, but you need tapes, foam tapes, and acetate if you want to make it a shaker. So I cut everything out, but actually I don't like the way the instruction says to make this, because you are going to score everything, then put this shadow layer on top, which is smaller than the card base. I don't like how it looks like, so I decided to cut another card base layer, and I'm going to cut here somehow round and put it on top of my card base, and then make my layers on top of that. I like this way better, so I did that. Let's make it together. Oh, and let me explain some stuffs. For the background piece, actually I made a mistake and stuck it on top of this. But anyway, I cut another layer of this shadow layers for the card base and stick it on the back of the main layer and cut around it, because the shadow layer is a little bit bigger than the top layer. So I didn't like the way it looks all the way around, so I did that as well. And I'm going to use one of the dollar store stickers I had in my stash. I made a little bit extra stuff on that, like did some marks with my gel pens to make it a little bit look nicer. With this one, I'm going to make it like an everyday or birthday card for kids, and then I'm going to make another style with these dies, the holiday version one. Let's make it together, the first one, and I will explain the second one after that. I forgot to mention, you need to cut the stopper one as well to make the easel work. And we're going to put that on the inside and make the easel card to stay up. I decided to use the foam sheets to cut out the whole thing to make a height for my shaker, and not using the foam tape. That was my decision. You can use foam tapes around the shaker part and make it work. Alright, I want to show you how it looks like if you put the foam sheets together, and you can use it to give the height to your shaker. But I've changed my mind because I wanted to show you the different way to do it. So I put the foam tape around the shaker part, and we'll use that. really appreciate you being here. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe, and see you in my next video. Peace out, you.